There is a macabre attachment to Hollywood and truck driving. On June 29, 1967, Jane and her then boyfriend, Sam Brody, and attorney and driver, Ronnie Harrison, along with her 3 children, Mickey, Zoltan, and Mariska, were in a 1966 Buick Regal when Ronnie didn't see the semi in front of him. He may have been distracted by the red light on top of the bug-spraying truck in front of him, but nonetheless, he unalived the 3 people in the car who had just traded places with the 3 kids. Himself, Sam Brody, and Jane Mansfield. The meager bumper became reinforced and named the Mansfield bumper, named after Jane. All 3 children survived and are thriving. Little 3-year-old Mariska went on to Hollywood and later became Captain Olivia Benson from Law & Order.